The Triumph Tiger 900 range has been out long enough now that it's time for a midlife update. And as far as those go, this bike has received quite a significant one, with the most exciting changes happening with the engine. It's still an 888cc 3-cylinder engine, but there are many changes within, and the effect of all those changes is more of everything. Power has gone up, torque has gone up slightly, and with that, Triumph has somehow also claimed a 9% improvement in fuel efficiency. So it's good news all around. Power is now at